What's up, you guys? No content on the hatch today, but we're working on the daily. Gotta replace the driver's side axle because the boot ripped and it keeps clunking, and it's currently 9 in the morning and it's already 90 degrees. So decided to wake up early in the morning and get it over with because it's just gonna get even more hot as the day goes by. So gonna be doing that real quick. I'm gonna just go ahead, jack up the car, take off the wheel, and go from there. I guess I'm gonna just start off by taking the axle nut off. If you guys are wondering what size that is a 36. Usually they take this bolt off and the bolt off from the top, and they take this whole fork off, but I don't think I'm gonna do that, at least not yet. So now I'm gonna just go ahead, take this ball joint off, and I think I'm gonna take the tie rod off because the steering wheel is locked. So I'm gonna just go ahead and disconnect it just so I could move the spindle. Alright, so I went ahead, took the tie rod off because the steering wheel was locked up, so couldn't move the spindle. But look how bad the axle boot is. So now I'm gonna just go ahead, take this guy off, and then hopefully the arm could come down, but I doubt it because I need to take this guy off. And that's pretty much it. So after I get this bolt off and this one, the whole thing should just come down. Spindle should be able to go up and axle should come out. I got this bolt removed, so now I'm gonna just go ahead, hit right here with the hammer, that way they could just separate, and then this should be good. Nope. There we go. Alright. Yep. She's done. I doubt it that the other end of the axle will come out through here, so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and take the fork off. I'm gonna just go ahead and do that real quick. Move this guy out of the way. I'll move you guys in a bit. Look at this. God damn. Nope. Need a gun. Alright. Here we go. Should come right off. There we go. Pull this guy out. Now the axle should come out. I'm gonna just put this oil pan on the bottom so in case it leaks some transmission fluid. Now the fun part is I gotta try and disconnect it from the transmission now, which I usually just disconnect it with a big flathead and comes right out. There we go. Yep, she's leaking. Now I gotta get some more transmission fluid. That's alright. I wonder if it has an LSD in it. And it does not. Alright, so I got the new axle in, and just do the same process you did, taking everything off, just put it back on backwards. It should be fine. My phone overheated, so I didn't get to really record anything. But I went ahead and sprayed some brake cleaner on the rotor. Seems like I need to clean that spot. But yeah, not that much going on today besides replacing the axle. But stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.